Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. We've just had to pull over on the way to town. Bloody exhaust sounds like it's fell off, so we're going to go take a look. Yeah, so it looks like the exhaust snapped, it's hanging right down. Does sound a bit more like a Focus now though. Go on then, give it a rev. Boy, that sounds shit. Yeah, so I don't think that's supposed to do that. Off to Automodz we go to get sorted out. Does sound good though. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera, but it does sound good. Giving me ideas now. Off to Automodz. Yeah, so it should look like this, but in a previous life it looks like it's been sort of welded, bodged to get it by, so just gonna have to add to that today just to get us by until next year.
Yeah, just wait.
So guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Massive thank you to Mark at Automodz for welding the exhaust back on. Temporary fix for now. What we're going to do is we're going to look out for a sports exhaust, check out eBay, speak to a few manufacturers, see what we can come up with. We're going to get a nice sports exhaust on there after hearing what it sounded like with one of the back boxes fell off. It sounded a lot throatier, so definitely decided now I'm going to put a performance sports exhaust on this car. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the share button. Peace out guys, and we'll see you on the next one.